There are several reasons why your videos are not getting enough views. But the most common reason is that your channel has not been properly configured. It is clear that after hours of hard work designing our videos, we all wish the would get hundreds of thousands of views. Watch this video to the end if you want to considerably improve your results. Go to YouTube Studio if you haven't installed this yet. You can do it on Google Play Store because this application is essential for all YouTubers because it allows you to manage and configure your channel down to the smallest detail. Now, go to Google Chrome and in the search bar type studio.youtube.com. I use Google Chrome because it's on the phone, and this way the application appears like on a computer. Click on Settings, then on the channel, click on Functionality Eligibility, and activate all free features that you see. If these settings are not enabled, it may prevent you from making views. Then click on Basic Information and make sure to specify your country of residence because this is a very important step. In the keyword space, you must specify the exact keyword related to the niche of your channel. If you are in financial education, you can insert keywords such as make money online, billionaires, and many more. You can go up to 400 keywords. You must also insert the name of a few YouTubers who are in the same niche as you and who have a large audience. This will allow the YouTube algorithm to send the right viewers to your channel. Another check to do is to go to your browser and type youtube.com/verify. This should be displayed to make sure your channel has been verified by YouTube. I hope this video was very useful to you. I invite you to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos like this.